What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. It's the start of a new year, and I'm starting to do little daily projects to make sure I do something every day. I have a long to-do list, and I need to start checking things off, like giving Madison a made-to-move body. Yes, this doll does come on a made-to-move body, but I borrowed it for the Christie anniversary doll, who's on my to-do list for a lip repaint. But a couple of dolls got kicked off the shelf, and now there's a spare body. So prepare the hot water. Let's put this girl in a bag, then into a cup of hot water for like a minute, maybe. Oops, there was a hole in the bag, and her Mod Podge lipstick just came off. Well, we'll just have to add that to the to-do list. And while the head is still soft, let's remove it and place it on the new made-to-move body. And Madison is good to go. We can check this one off the list. Since we're swapping heads, let's take a look at the Barbie signature, Rita Moreno. I got this doll for $34 on Amazon. We get a certificate of authenticity letting us know this is a black label doll, a doll stand that attaches at the waist, and a doll representing the iconic singer, dancer, and activist, Rita Moreno, wearing a look from her Oscar-winning night. This doll has dark hair pulled back with bangs. She has metallic gold-colored hair accessories with matching earrings. They are removable. Loving the smoky eye makeup, she has a beauty mark and is not pixelated. She has a pretty neutral lip color, wears long black gloves, a black sleeveless top with a skirt that's pleated at the waist. It's black with a metallic design and reaches past the ankles. She wears black heels and is articulated with movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hip, and knee. But I need more articulation. In my perfect doll world, all Barbies would come on a made-to-move body. But since that's not the case, I bought this doll at Target. She looks pretty close. Right this way, ladies, 'cause we're swapping heads. Just one moment. Better. And now she's good to go. Since we're swapping heads today, we might as well hook her up. This is a Barbie signature Ballet Wishes doll. I bought mine from Mattel Creations. However, I did see it on the Target app for $30. This doll has the Odile Face Sculpt that seems to be very popular right now in the doll world. A few years back, we got a holiday Barbie, then Dreamtopia mermaids, but they were pixelated. We got the Juan Gabriel doll, mine's waiting for a hair day, and now we got a ballerina. She has blonde hair pulled back into a ponytail. Looks like she has a center part. Blue eyes, pink eyeshadow, a pink lip color, and a beauty mark. She comes with a hair accessory sewn to her head, pearl earrings that are removable. She comes dressed in pink with ribbon straps and tulle at the shoulders, a foil design on the front and tulle. She wears stockings. They are separate from the outfit, and she has pink ballet shoes with ribbon. This doll has pretty good articulation. There is movement at the head, shoulder, a single joint at the elbow. She can move at the wrist. I like the hands. She can move at the chest, hip, upper thigh, and knee. This doll has muscular calves. And if we just had those double joints at the elbows and knees, I wouldn't do a body swap. But we don't, so I will. She looks like a similar skin tone to the Yoga Barbie we used earlier, so that's the doll I'm using for a head swap, and I'm swapping the hands as well. However, on the made-to-move body, they're kinda loose. So I switched them back, and here she is. And she's not pixelated. Since this is a Barbie signature doll, she does come with a certificate of authenticity, and we get a doll stand that can move. And now we have two new made-to-move dolls for the shelf. But they might need some more clothes. Hello, ILY Forever. I picked these dolls up at Target. I thought this outfit was too cute. And check out those accessories. This is the I Heart Bo Peep doll. It was $19.99. There was also a I Heart Bambi doll for $19.99 and a new I Heart Minnie Mouse doll for $29.99. These dolls are by Jakks Pacific, so they have painted eyes rather than inset eyes like the Disney store. The Minnie Mouse doll comes with a second outfit so we can mix and match. We get an articulated ILY Forever doll with brown hair. The front is pulled up into 2 knots. She has a silver-colored hair accessory, green eyes, a pink lip color, pink earrings with little Mickey Mouse heads on them, and they are removable. The earrings can fit some Barbies that were designed for larger earrings. This doll has a light pink jacket with faux pockets and little white Mickey Mouse heads. She wears a black graphic tee underneath, paired with a metallic silver skirt. It says Minnie on the side and the fabric is stretchy. And she has a pair of black paddock boots. She comes with a silver and pink necklace, a ring, 2 Minnie Mouse purses to go with the outfits for those Disney bounding days. For the second look, we have a pair of sunglasses with pink frames, a white, black, and pink polka dot top with a large bow in the front, hot pink sequins pants that are boot cut. We have black heels with pink bows, and we finished it off with the other included purse. The I Heart Bambi doll comes dressed in a cream hoodie that stops at the waist. It has felt ears and says "Oh dear" on one side. There's a Bambi graphic on the front. We have a matching purse, a floral skirt that gathers at the waist. Personally, I would have loved to have seen a tucked under hem at the bottom. She comes with pink flower sunglasses, pink loafers. She comes with a plastic book with pictures inside, and we get a camera that has a few pictures. There's a cell phone with a print that matches her skirt, and there's a GPS on the other side. We get a water bottle and another ring. I Heart Bo Peep is ready to count sheep with an eye mask, bow hair accessories, blonde hair styled into 2 pigtails, a pink and white shirt that says "Hanging with My Peeps," pink sweatpants that say "Bo Peep" on the side. She wears light turquoise shoes that look similar to these mini fashion shoes. She also has a bag with sheep on the front, and all the bags today had some kind of opening at the top. Bo Peep also comes with a cell phone where it looks like she's trying to order something sweet. I like how we're getting different screens on the cell phones. She comes with a face roller that looks compatible with a Barbie. And we got 2 bottles of nail polish that look like a good size for the dolls. Now that we have all this ILY fashion, time for a little at-home fashion show. First up, we have the I Heart Minnie Mouse black tee and silver skirt. It's a good fit on a classic Barbie. Oh, and the jacket fits too. It's an easy fit on a curvy Barbie, a tall, athletic, and petite. The sequins pants and polka dot top are an easy fit on a classic Barbie. I cannot get the pants on a curvy, however the top fits. The whole look works on a tall Barbie. The pants are a little snug on an athletic Barbie, but doable. And I think this whole look is a little large on a petite. Up next, coming down the runway, we have Bambi fashion. The top and skirt totally work for a classic Barbie. Here it is on a curvy. For me, it worked best when I didn't use the support ribbon under the skirt. It fits a tall Barbie, athletic, and petite. And last but not least, we have Bo Peep loungewear. It's a good fit on a classic Barbie. I could only get the top on a curvy, but the top and pants work for a tall Barbie. The pants were a little snug on an athletic Barbie, but I was able to get them on. And everything was a loose fit on a petite. Now that we've seen how everything fits on our different Barbies, I think we're gonna go with this black mini tee and sequins pants and this comfy cozy look of Bo Peep loungewear. I love that ILY Forever clothes can fit on some Barbies. I think they do a great job on their accessories, and I'm eagerly waiting for more fashion packs. Thank you for joining us while we swapped some heads and tried on some clothes. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Fanbase, Instagram, and YouTube at MyFroggyStuff and Bella of MyFroggyStuff on Instagram. And we will see you next time.